Alright, so if we're gonna be honest here, I'm a pretty clumsy person. I don't know if this has anything to do with it, but I have tendonitis. So, I can't really do too much with this thing at all. Especially because I just went to work and probably shouldn't have been working. I feel pretty dead inside, I'm not gonna lie. I need to find a new purpose. So with that being said, I'm gonna become a makeup artist full time. That's right, folks. With one hand. I have not done a full face of makeup since I was injured, which was about a week ago. So we're gonna try this with one hand. I hope you enjoy this lip video. So, let's start. Do I have concealer? No, I do not! Why did I call it concealer? Primer, jeez. Got 'em. I like to start out my videos by asking how you're doing, even though I can't entirely hear your response. Just know that I actually care. And yeah. This brush is kind of a cheat. I would highly recommend. It once said e.l.f. on here somewhere. It's probably 10 years old and hasn't been washed more than 5 times. But it's not mine, so I don't really care. Is that concerning? Is this concerning? Why do I think this is a bad idea? Ew! Let's apply some lighter concealer. Shall we? That's cute. Yeah. This is why we don't call them makeup tutorials anymore. And then we're gonna put some, that was pretty cool. Some setting powder. Ooh, 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 ooh. The time is now for contouring. I'm feeling this today. Oh, that was really high. I don't have any right brushes, but like I really don't want to get up. But I probably should. To figure out how to open this with my mouth without contaminating it. Oh my gosh! How am I gonna get my sock back on? I want to put it all over my face. Not that defined you. Cool. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So if you've learned anything from this video, you've learned do not do dishes, or else you'll be like me, and no one wants to be like me. A yellow eyeshadow with a blue eyeliner. So if you're wondering how I'm doing this, I'm literally just packing yellow onto my eyelid and calling it a day. I don't know, bro. What about if we add some orange? Screw it. Oh, I shouldn't have brought it all the way up. That was a stupid idea. Well, it's too late. As we like just continue blending. So I look, how do we fix this issue? It's not even the fact that I'm using one hand, because like that has nothing to do with this. It's just that I made a poor decision. This is why I'm not a painter. I'm so glad I didn't go to makeup school. You know what would fix this? Oh, it's the other way. I take it all back. I'm a genius. I'm so smart. wherever you are. Ooh, that's way too dark. Okay, here's the final countdown. It's the final count. So now is going to be the most difficult part because I feel like you just need 2 hands to apply lashes and lash glue. So you might not be able to see this take place, but just imagine it's not going well. There's glue. Cute. Moist. Okay. Well, while this dries, I'm just gonna sit here staring at myself, so I'll be back. Alright, my home slices. Here's the final moment in time. My mirror is over here, so I will be looking in this direction. Enjoy. I'm not even gonna lie, that was almost too easy and I feel like something is going to go wrong. Here's the other eyeball. And this is where the other hand would come in handy. But it looks like we are going to have a nice lift off. They have landed. I think. Good enough for me. I feel fantastic. I feel like I could do a million things with no arms. I hope this encouraged you to try more things with only one arm. Let that be your left or your right or neither. Yeah. I'm gonna go and take a bath now and ice my hand. Eat another piece of bread with peanut butter on it. Okay. Peace out. Love you. I'm sorry.